Hi, I'm Christina with Tinagirl Travels. This summer we spent a little bit of time in Venice, Italy, and I like to shop, and one of the things I bought was this Bialetti Mukka Express cappuccino maker. Yep, you heard me right. It's the Bialetti cappuccino maker. I know you've heard of the ones that make espresso, but this one actually foams your milk and heats your milk and does the espresso as well. You know what else I've made in this already is a chai tea latte, and it turned out amazing. But today I'm going to make you a latte and show you how this machine works. Your Bialetti machine will come with a little measuring cup. The first line is if you're using gas, and the second line is an electric stove. You take the espresso machine apart, and you'll see there's a little basket for the espresso. This is where your water goes, right in the very bottom. Next, you'll put your coffee basket in, and they say not to pack the coffee in. So I'm just going to gently put it into the basket. So I'm using about 2 scoops here because I actually bought sort of the medium strength coffee, and I like it a little bit stronger than that. So I'm just gonna shake this a bit, get it a little flatter, but I'm not gonna pack it down. So you'll line the handle up with the pressure spout. So it clicks on into place. As you can see, here is the pressure spout here, and the handle will be lined up with that. Now this is the part that's a little bit different. Inside is this little valve, and this is going to be for steaming your milk. So what it says is you put it into place. You'll see inside there's a little groove, and the instructions are pretty clear with that. Line it up with the 0, pop it in place, and slide it over to the 1. So these wings are going to come up. This is going to be up. You're going to add your milk. Now inside the machine there's actually a line that you can see, and you'll fill the milk up to the line. And for a cappuccino you just press down. It doesn't take very long to work. You'll start hearing different sounds, and all of a sudden it'll kind of make this popping sound, and that'll be the espresso coming up through. We'll just let that sit for just a minute. Going for about 1.5 minutes now on the stove. You can use a thermometer if you want to check how hot your coffee is. Sometimes I just check just to make sure. The little cappuccino button at the top will pop up when it's ready. Okay, we're ready to pour our latte. As you can see, it's a nice color and it smells delicious. You can lift the lid and get the foam out. Now, to care for your latte maker, especially with the milk, I would definitely put some warm water in there right away. I hope you enjoyed my video on the Bialetti Mukka Express cappuccino maker. On my next video, I'm going to show you how to make a chai tea latte using the same machine.